we're back. Baby, tell him where we're going.
Halloween store.
He's so excited. Can't you tell? But we're gonna do couples, duos, siblings, just go together costumes. So we will catch back up. We will catch back up with you when we're there. Come here. Peanut butter jelly. What does it say? Show me that. We make a sandwich. Put your mask on.
I'm Batman.
Flex smart, babe. Get me out. Babe, put the camera up. Put the camera up and help me. Help me. Please help me. Help me. Put the camera up. Babe, it hurts mine. It's not even Christmas, but look how cute. This isn't what we came here for, but I'm getting a new wreath on my door. I will be back with you guys when we get home. Baby, baby, baby! Bring your face in the light real quick. You didn't get what you needed from Michael's, but you were so dramatic.
The sun is in my eyes.
You're not gonna go blind if you don't look at it for less than 30 seconds.
Knowing you, it's gonna be 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
You didn't get what you needed from Michael's, but I'm gonna make us a cute wreath for the door.
Okay.
I got us some cute stuff. Say bye.
Goodbye.
Say thanks for watching.
Hopefully forever. Thank
Say-
you for watching.
Baby, you have to be in my YouTube videos.
No, I don't want to.
You're my life and it's about my life. Okay. Say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.